Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Shreya Singh Rajput and I just want to say today that I am starting a new series which is learning English because since few years I am struggling with this language. I am able to understand it, I am able to write it even, but I don't able to speak very fluently. I don't have good vocabulary. I have lot of grammatical mistakes and I fumble a lot before speaking. I have to think a lot, and due to which I don't have good confidence in this language, which I really want to change in this year. I want to speak like a pro at the end of 2026. I am thinking about that. I want to be fluent in English. I want to be fluent in English, but I am not till today because I am not consistent to it. I am not working in it. I am procrastinating every day that I will do it later, and I am not adopting this language. It was just a language and it literally needs little efforts to speak, to think ourselves, and to be consistent, which I am not. But I'm thinking about to start this series since 1 year, but I am not. But I am so much scared of that if I post all these kind of videos where my English is not so good. I used to do a lot of grammatical mistakes, and if people judge me, like, I am so underconfident about it. I don't know that why I am so much scared of the people's judgment, that I got affected so much from the people's, that what they think uh, of my poor English language. But whatever the people want to think, they can think. Nothing, their thought cannot change our life, and want to remove my all fears this year seriously. And one of this is to speaking English. One more thing I want to say, that I am not able to speak English very fluently because of my environment. Usually don't speak in English in my home, in my colony, or with my friends. I usually speak Hindi, but sometimes I have some friends with whom I used to talk in English, but it was not very consistent. Because the friends with whom I speak English, we don't meet every day. We don't talk every day. We used to talk like in a week or twice in a week. So that's why I'm not able to improve well, but I want to show off this year, and I really found this is the only way to improve myself. You can see my level of English, that I am starting from the scratch, that I don't have good vocabulary. I have to work on my grammar, I have to work on vocab, I have to work on sentence formation, like everything. And this year I'm going to work on this, and I will try to speak in English in front of camera. So I just want to do this series, so I have started it without thinking more about it, that if that should I start or not. Whatever the mistakes I will do, you can correct me, or I will take it as a suggestion. And I want this, whatever mistakes I am doing, you can correct me without thinking anything, okay? And that's all, guys. If you also want to speak English and to make your English very fluently, you can also start with me in this series, so we can grow together. And that's all, guys. See you in the next video, everybody. Okay, bye and take care, everyone.